Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm looking at a tree pruner made by Fiskars. This is a 16-foot pole. As you can see here, very long pole. It's got two sets of openings here to open it up. So probably 8 feet and then another 8 feet. This is a total of 16 feet. It does come in different configurations. This is how this one comes. This is a pruner. You can also attach a saw to this, different things, but this is, I'm really just using this to prune some trees. And how it works is it uses a pulley system. As you can see here, there's a rope that's attached to a pulley, and when you pull it, you can see here, it creates leverage. So I want you to see that. See how it creates leverage? And that will cut your limbs and your trees. The limb will only, whatever fits in here, is the only thing that's going to trim. So just so you know how that works. So this is a nice long pole. Unlock it like this here. And then you hold the button down here. And then you can extend this pole. And then you got to unlock this one and extend that pole. So that's how that works. Super easy to use. I want to try to trim a couple pieces of tree, try to get some footage and show you how that works. So you can see here I got some old trees overhanging a little bit, so I just want to prune a couple of them back. So all you have to do basically is just hook it around the tree, pull this rod down, and basically it should take care of the job. Hopefully that's the way it works. We'll try to get up there and I'm trying to record it to see so you can see basically how it works. Again, this is what it looks like. To extend it, you just open this up and you just hold this button down. You can see that extending, and then you can just lock it into your, it just locks in. And I believe you can hit it again and extend it some more. Yeah, so it's got little locks here, little pivot holes that locks into it. So let's see how high this goes. Locks that one more. And so right there is the max line, gives you a max line right there. So we'll lock that out. So that is the maximum that will go. And that's pretty high. That's already 8 feet in the air. That's pretty cool. I like that. Let's just see if I can connect something here. We can take a look together. Okay, so you can see, hopefully you can see it. It's locked onto a branch right there. I'm just gonna pull this towards me and let's see what happens. And it broke right off. You can see that. There you go. There's a big piece of branch that just came down. So super easy to do. Just continue. That was a pretty thick one too. You can see that was a pretty hefty cut. I'm going to trim some of these back. So you can see how it works. It works really well. Nice, convenient. You can see how size of this rod is, and it can go another 8 feet more. So this is a 16-foot pole. This will do quite a bit. I'm going to trim some of this back. So this is how it works. We're going to show you how it works. It works fantastic, and definitely highly recommend this one for sure.